Hello, customers and all audiences. I am DFI Product Manager Amy. Today, I would like to introduce DFI Embedded Server Computing Optimizes for Edge AI. Let's have a short view of today's agenda. Firstly, I will introduce the background of the 3rd Gen Intel Xeon-SP Ice Lake to talk about the technology of the CPU performance and what's outstanding in this platform. Next, I will take further talk about DFI's server board ICX610-C621A. The last paragraph will introduce about the targeted application market and DFI's successful case. At first, let's see the Intel's official intro of this processor, 3rd Gen Intel Xeon-SP Ice Lake.
To help our customers and people around the world solve for their X, we've created a platform that delivers true flexibility, that brings artificial intelligence everywhere, and is built to serve all workloads from the edge to the cloud, delivering more performance, more scale, and more wonderful. The Intel Xeon platform is the foundation. It is the most pervasive platform on the market, delivering everything customers need to move data where it needs to be, quickly store and retrieve it, and has an unmatched lineup of processors, accelerators, and memory. From Xeon to XPUs, to Optane persistent memory and SSDs, to Ethernet adapters, Intel delivers and enables the quality, compatibility, and global ecosystem support to holistically solve our customers' most challenging problems. We're thrilled to launch our latest 3rd Gen Intel Xeon scalable processors and share all of its exciting new capabilities, including industry-leading artificial intelligence CPU performance that gets even smarter with new software optimizations, and turnkey solutions that harness Xeon's deep learning boost built-in AI acceleration. Intel Crypto Acceleration, which reduces the performance impact of pervasive encryption. Intel Software Guard Extensions, an advanced hardware instruction that provides enclaves of protected memory to deliver enhanced security for sensitive data. And across our 3rd Gen lineup, we deliver industry-leading 1, 2, 4, and 8 socket configurations that allow customers to optimize their node sizes, achieving higher virtual machine density with fewer stranded resources for delivering more total cost of ownership savings. The Intel Xeon platform is the foundation for all your deployments. And at the center of the platform is the latest 3rd Gen Intel Xeon scalable processor. With up to 40 cores, increased I/O bandwidth, memory channels, and memory capacity with Optane, Intel is delivering more advanced platform capabilities. Over the last 20 years, we've increased workload acceleration built into Xeon to support an expanding variety of workloads. And we're delivering impressive performance increases across image classification, virtualization, data analytics, forward packet processing for networking, and so much more. This represents a significant performance boost compared to the prior generation. Our customers can quickly leverage this performance with the foundation of software and ecosystem enablement for seamless VM migration from 5 prior generations of Xeon processors. Now, let's go explore what the latest 3rd Gen Intel Xeon can do. Let's start at the edge.
At first, Intel Xeon-SP, the 3rd generation Ice Lake SP. It equipped with high CPU core with higher computing power and higher memory bandwidth, and also capacity. Moreover, PCIe Gen4 in Ice Lake is more faster and also high throughput, all making customers with more efficiency and productivity. The 3rd Gen Ice Lake SP supports up to 40 core, much higher than previous platform, Xeon-SP's 2nd generation Cascade Lake. It's 28 core only. And with higher frequency, support customers' complicated workloads for their applications with energy efficiency. Ice Lake Xeon-SP supports new instruction set, including cryptography, data decompression, up to 8 times performance to previous gen. Moreover, OpenVINO for image acceleration. Intel Total Memory Encryption, aka Intel TME, upgrade to AES-XDS 128 bits, enhance the memory encryption. Higher memory bandwidth and capacity all makes customer handling and executing big data in short time frame without latency and more efficiency. Faster PCIe Gen4 and more bandwidth channels supports faster communication and data transmission for AI, ML training, and inference. Besides, Ice Lake SP, 8 channels with 4 controllers, 6 channels with 2 controllers in previous gen, which makes memory bandwidth increase 43% to 89%. Here's the DFI server-grade Xeon-SP 3rd Gen ATX motherboard, ICX610. It supports 8 DDR4 RDIMM up to 512 GB, and 2 PCIe by 16 plus 4 PCIe by 8, or 3 PCIe by 16 plus 2 PCIe by 8, different configuration by auto detect. Also supports 6 SATA 3, 1M.2 N key, 2 10G LAN, 2 1G LAN, and 1 dedicated LAN for IPMI for OOB remote control. Our main target market are medical imaging system and AI automation. Let's share DFI target market and successful cases. Xeon-SP extreme CPU performance, memory bandwidth, and high expansion capability of PCIEs with multiple graphic card and capture card for AI, machine learning building, and by Intel AVX512 instruction set, assisting customers build up auto inference by machine. DFI target market and success cases, mainly in high-end medical imaging device and high-end AOI equipment in factory. DFI also spec in AI factory for AOI application. High-end glass bottle quality examination in France factory by DFI ICX610 and PR611. Auto inspection of panel quality in Taiwan panel manufacturer by DFI ICX610 and PR611. DFI successfully spec in Japan leading medical company, assisting doctors detection and make precisely judgment of pathogen. DFI server-grade boards are mass applied in CT, MRI, and X-ray machine by JP Hospital. Moreover, DFI alliance with Germany customer for promoting medical industry deeply. Here's the specifications of ICX610. Would like to learn more about this server board? Please scan the QR code for more details about the product. Last year, DFI celebrated its 40th anniversary. That is an important milestone for us. In the future, DFI will keep providing innovative products and better quality solutions across multiple embedded industries. You could kindly scan the QR code for more information about us and more success stories, how DFI succeed in the different applications and industries.
That is all for the presentation of today's webinar. Thank you for your attention and your patience. In the end, we would like to acquire your valued opinions. Please help give us your feedback via scanning the QR code and completing the survey. You'll have a chance to win a USD $25 iTunes Apple Card. That's a wrap for today. Thank you again for spending your time with us today. If you want to know more about us or have other requirements, please feel free to scan the QR code to contact us directly. See you next time.